He hōtaka hau e tūhurana i ngā kōrero tuku iho o Hawai'i. Kua tuhia, tohua puakitia ai e Jason Momoa.
E ho'o ka huaia, he lālani.
Arā te rārangi kaiwhakaari Māori, kua whai wāhi ki te hōtaka.
It's the rise of Kamehameha, the kingdom of Kamehameha. And it's led by the true character, kaiwhakaari, played by Jason Momoa. And he was the chief of war. He was the rangatira a ku. He bought muskets. He was kind of like a bit like the Ngāpuhi chief who went off and found muskets and brought them back to Hawaii. And then he chose Kamehameha, and then he had to do battle with these kings. King Kahikili, ko Nei, and Koau, ko Te Ao Māori.
Ko te tokorua nei, he āhuatanga hou ki te mau i ngā taonga whawhai o Hawai'i. Engari e harai te mea he tawhiti te orite o ngā tikanga, mau rākau.
Well, these weapons over here are quite different. For example,
very different.
They're very different. It's probably from the landscape too as well. Yes, him and I are pretty good. He's actually a bit better than me on swinging that taiaha around, but this was something new, something fresh.
E nā opuni ea, ke pile mai oe, a ko uau. Au ko ho make ana.
I kaha kōrero tia te hononga whakapapa o Aotearoa me Hawai'i, ka mutu he orite ngā tikanga ki te kāinga.
Our tupunai, our ariki, they're connected. Our whakapapa runs throughout Te Moana Nui a Kiwa and very strong connections with Hawaii. So I think it rekindles and reawakens us in a unified sense, so that we connect through these things, and that's the vision of Pa'a and Momoa.
I mātua whai te tokorua nei kia kairangi te rere o te reo, kia kaua hoki te whakahunga o te reo e kawa ki ngā taringa o te ao.
So I was hesitant. I wasn't quite sure if I was able to meet the standard of the Olelo Hawaii, so a fluent Hawaiian speaker could watch and go, kei te pai tēnā, kua ea, kua pai, kua tika.